There are a lot of great reasons to buy a dash cam, but recording an incident to prove you're not at fault is probably the most important. And now, with Nextbase dash cams, you can automatically sync footage and files directly to your mobile device. Drivers are unpredictable, so when an incident turns into an accident, your Nextbase dash cam can send footage directly to your phone after the crash. There's no need to worry that you remembered every detail or missed writing something down. Your dashcam already captured and shared vital information like license plates, street names, and even GPS data. Sometimes, accidents occur when no one is around to call for help. Most Nextbase dashcams come equipped with Emergency SOS, a revolutionary emergency notification service which dispatches 911 with important personal, medical, and location data if you're in need of assistance. Hey Alexa, on models 422GW and above, keep your hands on the wheel and ask Alexa for driving directions, to start your favorite music playlist, to control smart home devices, and so much more. With the rise in he said, she said, and crash for cash incidents, a dashcam can also help provide proof that the incident wasn't your fault. When no witnesses are available, insurance companies will often settle claims as an even split between parties. This means both parties lose their no claims bonus, and you'll likely see an increase in your monthly insurance premium. Looking to reduce your insurance costs? Having a dashcam often results in discounts to your plans of up to 30%, which in some cases can cover the cost of the dashcam itself. Peace of mind when you need it most. Nextbase.